how to delete mods from Minecraft. So as you can see right here, I'm currently on Minecraft Forge. When I click on mods, as you can see, I have this mod called just enough items. And if I want to delete it, you simply need to click on open mods folder just like so. And it will basically bring you right here to the mods folder. So just quit Minecraft first. So fully quit Minecraft right here. And you can see this is the mods folder. The other way that you could do this is just simply go into your Minecraft launcher. So you could do this before opening up the game so that you won't need to go back and exit out of Minecraft and opening up the game again. So this is a way more efficient method. So go here, then go to installations, then hover to Forge, then click on the folder icon right here on the right side. Then it will just basically open up these files right here and just find the mods folder right there. And as you can see, these are the files. And I want to delete the just enough items, which is this one on the top. But I could also delete this one. So let's say I want to also delete this. And once it's done, just simply open up your Forge Minecraft again. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load. And now, as you can see, we're back. And when I click on mods again, as you can see, the mod that we had earlier, which is just enough items, is now gone. And as I basically delete mods from Minecraft,